All right, breaking updates there, Divya. Delhi election dates today. In fact, Election Commission all set to announce Delhi poll dates. Schedule likely to be out by 2 p.m. So, much awaited date of Delhi elections to be announced today, Divya.
That's right, Radhika. The dates will finally be announced. Of course, there's been a lot of speculation as they could, the election could take place as early as the month of February. When is it exactly going to take place is the big question. And of course, the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP warring, that war of words that we've seen on a constantly daily basis in the run-up to the elections. Of course, many accusations and allegations that are being leveled by both sides. Of course, let's just go across to Sunil Prabhu, who has more on this. Prabhu, we have, finally, the dates are going to be announced by the Election Commission, and that is going to be out this afternoon.
That's right. And on expected lines, yesterday was the date when the issue of, the notification in terms of the final electoral rolls for those who are eligible to contest. So that's been finalized. And now the next day, the Election Commission is going to announce this at 2 o'clock. We can expect it in the first week of February, not later than 10th of February. That's the usual timeline, and these are well-established norms. So we'll wait and see. It's a very toughly contested election because the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to continue its reign after being in power for the last 10 years. The BJP hasn't been in the city of Delhi in the state of governance ever since Sushma Swaraj gave up in 1998. So it's been a long road for the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP, and of course the Congress is trying to make a comeback too and fight this election. So it's in that backdrop that the Election Commission, which has been at the receiving end from all political parties on the electoral rolls, will be announcing the much-awaited Delhi election dates, which are expected to happen in the first week of February.